everyone. Today I'm going to be reading a book called A Little Spot of Kindness, written and illustrated by Danny Albert, just like one of our other books I read. My name is Spot. I'm not just any ordinary spot. I'm a little spot of kindness. I've never seen a spot of kindness before. What is a spot of kindness? A spot of kindness has a sticky back. My reason my back is sticky is so I can help kindness stick to you. Whoa. I come in so many colors because the easier I can be spotted, the easier it will be to remind you to be kind. Did you know that every time you are kind, a layer of happiness is added to your heart and to the hearts of others? And since you both have the power to make good choices, you can start making the choice to be kind. I know sometimes it's hard to remember to be kind, and that's why I'm here, to help. All you need to do is place a spot on your hand, just like that. Now every time you spot me, do something kind. I can't draw. This looks horrible. Don't you know that all great art starts with a scribble? See, it's working already. Great job using encouraging words when someone is feeling sad. Remember to be supportive. Remember, being supportive is being kind. Can I please play with your dinosaur? Sure thing. You can. Thank you for asking. That's wonderful that you're sharing toys. Remember, sharing is being kind. Saying hello to someone who is alone is a great way to be kind. Remember, being friendly is being kind. I'm so lonely. Hello, would you like to play? Saying please when you want something is the easiest way to being kind. May I have some more water, please? Remember, being polite is being kind. Sometimes being kind can be hard, like when you break something by accident. But this is a perfect time to be kind. My favorite pink crayon. I'm so sorry I broke your crayon. It was an accident. Remember, apologizing is being kind. Do you need help? Yes, please. Thank goodness there was someone to lend a helping hand. Remember, helping is being kind. It's always fun to make It's always fun to make a mess, but it can be hard to clean them up. Remember, cleaning up after yourself is being kind. Waiting in line can be difficult, but not getting upset is a great way to be kind. Remember, being patient is being kind. Now, grab a little spot of kindness so you too can remember to be kind. Here's a spot card. So that's the end of this book. I hope you enjoyed this video/book. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!